Are you making a point of letting your potential customers know what you stand for and what your business is all about? That's what we're talking about this week. It's part of your welcome series. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial or upload. So, the third email of your 3 email welcome series is where you're going to want to talk about why you do what you do. This is where you talk about your brand story, you help them understand how your business came about. But more importantly, this is where you want to talk about your values and the core values that you have as a business. Now, I'm not talking about getting into every tiny little thing that you believe. But as it is relevant to your business and them getting to know you a little bit better, this is the time to show that stuff. Okay. This is the time to give them the opportunity to know if you are their people. Okay. So this is a concept I have done for a while, but I didn't really understand why I was doing it until last year when I read Start With Why by Simon Sinek. If you haven't read that book, could not recommend it more. It's so, so important. It doesn't matter if you're at the beginning of your business or you've been in business for a long time. It's such a great like level set and reset for your mindset. So I'll make sure to drop a link for that down below for you. But basically, when somebody is buying from a particular business, they're buying more so because they believe what you believe and less so because they need whatever you sell. The reality is that the idea of us being completely unique is kind of unrealistic, right? I mean, not as people. Let me rephrase that. Not as people. We are absolutely unique as people, but our business, what we offer, is not super unique. Even what I offer, I may pick and choose from different things that I've learned and from other people that I've learned from and all of that. But ultimately, like most of this information can be found somewhere else in some fashion. Same thing if you're selling products or if you're selling digital products or any other kind of services, right? But the point is that my customers buy from me and your customers buy from you because they believe in your mission, they believe in your why. And the only way that they can do that is if you let them know what it is. So that is the important third email of your 3 email welcome series. So I know that was a lot, but the thing is, this series is more important than your sales funnel. It's more important than your weekly emails. It's more important than all of that because this is what sets the tone for this relationship. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated and overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.